My YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing groundbreaking project, Honey Play. So, welcome to Honey Play, your ultimate gaming destination for thrilling online experience. Get ready to dive into a world of excitement and rewards. Let's explore some incredible features that make Honey Play stands out from the crowd. So, first of all, staking with high APY and platform revenue sharing. So, this is the official website honeyplay.io, and this is my referral link. The referral link in the description. So, you can join by clicking this link. So, let me show you how you can sign up. First of all, you can see if you open this link, you will see this website. This is the official website of Honeyplay. You just have to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, you can see you can sign up with these wallets. There are multiple wallets: MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, and so on. If you click on show more, there are wallets or more. And if you want to sign up via mail, you can also sign up via mail. So I'm going with MetaMask. Just I'm going to click on MetaMask. When I click on MetaMask, it's open the transaction for MetaMask, and I will enter my password here, and after that I will connect this website to my MetaMask, and that's all. So I will click on connect. Click on connect. Here you can see this is connected to this website, and now I have to click on sign message. So this is a message for signing message for the address to link with my MetaMask. So here you can see it's waiting for the signing, and it will open the MetaMask transaction, as you can see. So here you can see I will click on sign, and that's all. So my sign up is successfully created, and now you can see welcome to Honeyplay, ready for a world of rewards. Head over the our bonus center now and discover all the exciting way to bonus. So when you click on sign up, you will get the bonus. Go to bonus center, and you will save multiple bonus at all. So here you can see choose your welcome package. There are three packages: bronze, silver, and gold. Bronze is 600 FS, worth $500, and silver is 800 FS, $1,500, and gold 1000 FS is $3,500. So here you can see the countdown is ticking. So click on choose bonus, and I will scroll down. Here you can see, let me explain something. So choose your network pack. Here you can see 600 FS plus $500, 800 FS plus $1,500, and 1000 FS plus $3,500. So bonus 100% on the deposit, minimum deposit $80, and max deposit $500, and Wagger is X30. Bonus 2 is 150% on the deposit. That will minimum deposit $180, max deposit $1,000, and Vega is 30 X30. And bonus 3 to 10, 100 free spins, and bet amount is $1. Minimum deposit $14, and max deposit is $500, and here you can see Vega X30. So I will click on choose bonus, and so here you can see I have correct. You have received 3 bonuses. That's how it works. Let's go to the home page now, and I will explain about this Honeyplay. So the first one is staking with high APY and platform revenue sharing. Are you looking to grow your crypto assets? Look no further. With Honeyplay staking platform, you can earn high APY and even participate in platform revenue sharing, and your investment work harder for your hair. So this is how it works. Staking honey or love, earn up to 65% APY. And if you scroll down here, you can see the total staking pool is mentioned here. These are the stake, and 65% APY up to 65% APY, and payout distribution will be mentioned here 3 days 17 hours. Everything is mentioned on this staking page. This is the honeyplay.io slash staking. So the staking is total staked is mentioned here 39 million, and total staked love tokens are mentioned here. So you can see my staking is 0 because I just signed up. And if you click on stake now, here you can see you have to enter the amount and click on confirm, and your token will be staked. You can stake honey and you can stake love. And if you scroll down, you can see the stakes payout. So this is the payout machine. You can pay out from here, and you can see the payout countdown is also mentioned here, and payout countdown is ticking. Let's go back to the home page, and let's overview this website. So here you can see, first of all, you can see the grand welcome bonus. Choose your bonus and 1000 FS plus $3,500, and here you can see all games, slots, live casino, black jacket. Every game is mentioned here, and if you scroll down, you can see the cashback reward, some promotion banners here, lucky spin 50th, and 1.5% commission for refer a friend and earn. So this is how it works. The trending games are on the trading list. So you can see the trending now. And if you scroll down, you can see the new games and banners, live casino, and the providers are also mentioned here. You can see the logos and hot sales slots. You can see, if you scroll down, everything is mentioned on this page. And on the right side, on the left side, you can see the cashback up to 228%. And this is the cashback: 1% for VIP 0 and 1.5% for VIP 1. Play another $500 to upgrade to VIP 1. So this is how it works. Every transaction will goes here. Everything is mentioned here. And about cashback, you can read all the details from here. The first step is game on, second is earn cashback, and third one is collect and continue. This is how simple it is. And if you scroll down, you can see the bonuses, rewards, and also the levels here. And if you go to HUSB token, so this is the HUSD unlock token. You can also unlock and claim the reward from here. And let's go to the VIP benefits, and let me explain about the VIP benefits. So there are multiple levels up to 18, VIP 0 to VIP 18, and each level have different cashback and a different bonus. So let's suppose VIP 0 is $0 and 1% cashback and bonus is 0. And if let's go to VIP 1, $500 is and bragged and 1.5% for cashback and $0.5 is bonus. And here you can see 2%, 2.5%, 3%, 4%, 5%, and so on. If you scroll down to the VIP 18, you can see the amount is mentioned here. 28% is the cashback and $10,000 is the bonus. So this is very huge bonus. And if you go to Lucky Spin, the Lucky Spin is the free daily lucky spin on Honey Wheel. Feeling lucky, spin the wheel and watch as your fortune unfold. You could win up to an 50 Ethereum. It's time to let luck be your guide. So this is how it works. This is the spin. The free spin is one. Here you can see I will click on spin. When you click on spin, it says next spin time countdown. 13 hours and 15 minutes will be the next spin. And I just spin this wheel. So let's check it out. What's the price I will get? So here you can see 0.5. This token I have won 0.5 HUSD. So I won. Let's play another game on Hunt Play and enjoy winning more. Click on view HUSD. Here you can see my current balance is 0.5 HUSD because of the lucky wheel. And if you go to bonus center, the bonus center here, everything is mentioned on this bonus center. So here you can see available bonuses are 4. So first bonus is 100% on deposit. Minimum deposit $18 and $80 and WAGD is X30. And here you can see the time countdown. You just have to click on deposit now and you will get 100% of the deposit. And the welcome package of second bonus is 150% deposit cashback. And the third one is 100 free spin. You will get 100 spins if you deposit $40. And the fourth one is 40 free spins. You just have to click on activate now. So here you can see I will click on activate now, and now I can make spins up to 40 spins. So let's go to make spin, and here you can see there are multiple games you have to choose. Let's go to this game and you will see. So you must have HUSD balance in your account. You can also try demo to see the game overview. So if you click on try demo, the game will be loaded. So here you can see this is the game catch a big win and win big. So this is how it works. Let's go to the game. Here you can see there are multiple letters and you can play this game. So now let's go to the menu. Here you can see the games. If you click on favorite, you will see all your favorite games. You can favorite your games. And if you go to recent, you can see the recent history. And transaction history is also mentioned here. All the transaction record will be goes, and if you go to dashboard, you can also see the dashboard about everything. And if you stake, your staking will goes here. And now let me show you the referral program. If you join referral program, you can earn much as you can. So here you can see referral one. I just refer one and total WAGD is $0 and total earn is $0 because I just signed up. That's why this is my referral link. If I send this referral link to one of my friend, if I find join you this using this link, and I will get the reward. This is how it works. Simple it is. You can share with social media icon, and this is a promotional material, and get 1.5% for all winnings. 1.5% of a platform house as will be paid to immediately after the each referral winning bet. So this is how it works. How can I get Honey Play referral? So everything is mentioned here, and everything is mentioned here. And if you see the right side, you can see the records here. And this is the Honey Poker. Let's go to Honey Poker, and you can see the honeypoker.com. This is the another website of Honey. So here you can see this is a honey poker. And let's go to the support. If you have an issue, if you are trouble with any issue, if you have an issue, you can contact this support. And if you go to news, you can read all the news about the honey play. So this is how it works. It's simple. It is. You can also change the language from here, and these are the notifications. You can see the notification, and you can also search the game. And this is the casino. You can also minimize this, and everything is mentioned on the main page. So this is how it works. 6% is the referral commission and 1.5% for the lifetime. And let's talk about the double the fun promotion, and it will coming soon. Now let me show you how you can deposit. So it's a very fast deposit and fast withdrawal. Seamless and secure transaction are key. And Hami Play delivers experience lighting fast deposit and withdraw, ensuring you are always with the its game when you want to be. So this is how it works. If you click on this link, you can see this is the deposit. You can select your network you want to deposit. Let's go to Binance Smart Chain and BSC, and you go with BNB. And this is how it works. If you select any package, you can also choose any bonus. So here you can see, if you choose 150% on the deposit, you have to deposit $180. You have to enter the amount of BNB. Let's suppose I'm going to deposit 0.5 because I just signed up. I don't have any fund in my wallet. So this is how it works. You just have to click on connect wallet, and when your wallet is connected, you just have to click on deposit. So wallet is connected, you just have to click on deposit. And if you go to fiat, you can also pay with fiat via MoonPay, Paybit, and Chainbits. And let's go to withdraw. You just have to click on withdraw. You can also withdraw easily. So 1 HUSD is equal to 1 USDT. So this is how it works. Deposit to claim your HUSD. And if you go to swap, you can also swap the coin from here. Now let me show you the white paper. Here you can see there are multiple links and multiple social media icons. So let's go to Twitter account and Telegram. So this is the official Twitter account of Honey Play. Here you can see this is the Honey Play official Twitter account. I highly recommend to follow this account so you don't miss any update. And the second one is the Telegram. So here you can see this is the Telegram channel, and this is the Twitter account. I highly recommend to follow so you don't miss any update and another major news. So top crypto casino and iGaming destination built across 7 blockchains. Be part of Honey Play family and more as you grow. And this is how it works. Now let's go back to the website and let me show you the white paper. So this is the official white paper of Honey Finance. The token name is Honey. The token symbol is HUNNY, Honey. Contact address is also mentioned on this white paper. So here you can see Honey Play is the very own gaming playground with all settlements payments integrated on BSC and transparent and secure way of online gaming. Everything is mentioned here. And the emission rate is 5,000 honey over 1 BNB, 29,000 blocks per day, and 13% of minted honey support development. And honey token have reached their max supply since August 2022. And you can also see the supported currencies, and everything is mentioned on this page. So you can see honey poker, honey pre-sale, and honey tokens, and everything is mentioned on this page. Let's go to honey token that I am talking about, and everything is mentioned on that page too. This is the contract address on BEP20, max supply is 100 million, and emission rate is also mentioned here. Everything is mentioned on the white paper. So this is how it works. I highly recommend to invest in this project. So thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.